We started a day in the morning, no plan, just a simple idea to explore, shoot, and see where the road takes us. The weather was perfect, the road was quiet, and it felt good as any other journeys. Our first stop was Wah Sohra. I already have a video about this place and I visited the place again. The drive to get here was honestly beautiful. When I reached here, I found this place where people can just walk around, relax and capture the journey on their lenses. On our way to Sohra, we stopped randomly for a drone shot. We just saw this open spot and pulled over. And that stop was the one that made me happy. The hills, the windy roads, the peaceful vibe was just fantastic. We then reached Shadwell's garden, a beautiful homestay at Saitsohphen, Sohra. In the afternoon, we stayed the night over at this property and this place really clicked for me. It's not about luxury, but it's about how it makes you feel. Warm, quiet, and honestly just perfect. You can tell the owner of this homestay has put heart into this place. Everything just feels natural and nothing forced. The next thing we did at this property the next day was checked out the viewpoint, which was inside and part of the homestay. I didn't expect much, but honestly the view from here was fabulous. I could stay here for hours, and this is the kind of peace I travel for. After checking out from the homestay, we decided to visit a waterfall, which was Mawsawdong at Mogma. The journey towards the waterfall was very scenic, but unfortunately the waterfall wasn't great. I don't want to call it bad, it just did not appeal much. But of course the journey on the road and the stay at Shadwell's garden was worth it. That's the real beauty about Meghalaya. Even when one place lets you down, another will always surprise you. So that's all for today, and if you watched the video this far, don't forget to like, subscribe and share it with your friends. See you in the next one, and thanks for watching.